Get into a car with value. 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: third-row seat, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, power liftgate, remote engine start, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.